All right. I don't know. This market is getting whacked. Sorry, guys. No more music for now. We got to figure out how to play music without that happening. Yeah, everyone go start making music on AI and then submit it. All right, all right, all right. Something's brewing, guys. Something is brewing into Power Hour. I just don't know what. Look at this move. Matthew, I got to get that account to 55,800. I need $400 more because of consistency. So hopefully sometime this week. All right, all right. Come on. Let's break this. What is going on down here? Who's buying? Break this. All right, we could break these lows. Trap and go lower. Maybe. exactly what I want to see. Okay, now we just trap some longs. Get the longs all happy. Have them buy up here. And then hopefully we sell off. I don't know. I'm going to wait for a trigger candle, of course. I liked yesterday's price action. I thought it was great. I think today is way worse than yesterday. The only thing I sucked yesterday is I called my day too soon. Right before the big move. Like if I shut off my stream now and it starts moving, I'll be pissed. So might as well stay till the close. And it's also low on NQ. I mean, if you look on the 1 minute chart, this is quite. Look at 5 minute. I mean, that's just crazy consolidation for a long period of time. Hour and 25 minutes. That's a long consolidation. Are we gonna break? I don't know. And if we are, which way are we gonna break? Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna break down too. But don't want to get. All right, let's see. Taking short here. The candle's green. I don't know. I don't know if I like this now. We're gonna find out. That's my biggest fear always. This like getting in and just getting squeezed every time. Because we didn't really truly break below this consolidation, right? It's still just a huge channel. find out. Let's see, this made a new high here, so this is not a good entry, I don't think. We'll find out shortly. Yep, this is a long because it's a trap down here. Come on. So when I gotta start looking at that more often because I keep forgetting about that. When it falls back and makes the high, if it doesn't just fall apart, that's a different set. Now it's like, now we have this and it made a new low. Now it could do this. So basically, I don't want to see a pullback and new high. It shouldn't make a new high here. It should just pull back. And I'm going to lose because of that, I think. But that's the mistake I keep making because I don't notice it till I'm already like, see, like here I noticed it, but it was split second too late. But that should be a natural notice. All right, broke new highs, not entering at this moment. Because now we could get a better entry here, or this could be a long. See if I get see, like stuff like that with slippage and stuff. There's nothing you could do, you know. But I think that was the move. That was the move. That was the move. Gotta enter. There's no way. That was the move. That was the trap right there above these highs. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate. This is my last trade. Because if I lose, then I'm just gonna try to revenge trade. But that was a good signal, and hopefully we just sell off for a bigger target. Because at this point, if we don't sell off, then I'm gonna just call it a day. I'll be okay with down. I'll be down 320. Not the end of the world. But this was that was the trap. I mean, that was the signal was right here for entry. Just obviously just not paying attention, not focusing on the right at the right time, and it kind of gets you. All right. But if it doesn't break down, then idea was completely wrong anyway. So, but there's no way I'm not gonna re-enter when it does this. I know it's a late entry, but if this starts to break down, we got plenty of room to go. And if it doesn't, then it's not my day, and I'm gonna move on. But I got pretty crazy slippage there, didn't I? 3 points. Not too bad. That was more than that. But a candle like this, literally trading, it's like trading a small cap. We're trading the biggest index or second biggest, and it does a move like this. That is insane because that only happens in like cheap, low float stocks. There's no liquidity. We could just catch momentum though. If we could catch momentum, I think I could get a bigger target. But we got to start breaking down. Yeah, big order for sure. I think my day is It's not gonna. If this didn't fall apart already, then it's not going to. I mean, this should have just sold right off. I just don't see how they could save this. Right? If they're not planning on pushing higher, I don't know how they're saving this. The problem is I'm trading in consolidation. Like I said before, get below the lows, get below, and then do the trap below. But if you do it in the consolidation, there's traps everywhere. You know, like it's not going to be a high win ratio. But I'm just trying to make back my losses, and I'm not trading well. Oh well. Another day tomorrow. We'll see what happens here. If it dumps, maybe we'll get a big candle. If it doesn't dump, then there's nothing I could do. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Not my day. Big damage done, but not terrible done. You know, it's 2 days of work or a day and a half, depending on how it goes. I'm going to call it. Horrible day. Good start to the day, horrible ending to the day. Didn't trade my last group. It's all good. Going to request a payout from these 3 accounts. And we're chilling. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you all tomorrow. We'll do it again. I'm going to take a quick break. I have appointments starting at 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock with clients. So I'm going to go chill outside for a little bit and watch some Champions League on my iPad. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And crazy chop today. Nothing I could have done better. Just the only thing I could have done better is avoid more trading, which is better to do it late than never. If this sells off, it's going to be very unfortunate, but hopefully it doesn't. Hit the like. Thanks for tuning into this stream, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. Bad ending. Definitely not happy with it, but could be a lot worse. If those are my red days, then we'll take those red days. Later, guys.